What's that Barry White song?
Ooh, you're so sexy. Oh, na, 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 na. Can't get enough of your love, babe.
I'm there. We all know the way to my heart is food. So I like to share a little bit of romance at this wonderful, loving time of year with a recipe for your loved one. These are simply delicious red velvet cookies. I'm going to start with 200 grams of unsalted butter, quick as that. 150 grams of light brown sugar, 150 grams of granulated sugar. Give it a beat until light and fluffy. Crack in 2 large free-range eggs and whisk again. Now it's in with the dry ingredients. 350 grams of plain flour, 80 grams of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. You can also chuck in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and don't forget that red food colouring. I've got 150 grams of white chocolate, some are chips, some are crushed chocolate, whatever you fancy. Scoop tablespoon-sized portions of dough onto the prepared baking sheet, spacing them out about 2 inches apart. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are set but the centres are still slightly soft. Let cool and give a drizzle of some white chocolate. Make it for yourself. Give yourself a little bit of love. You deserve it. Yeah.